Everybody listen up, give us your attention. It's Jackson and he's printing in 3 dimensions on Jackson's 3D world.
Hi guys, it's me Jackson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use image stick keychain to make your very own Croc charm. So first, you're gonna go to MakerWorld. From here, make sure you're on the Makerlab page, and you can scroll down until you see the image stick keychain tool. And click Start, and then you click Create from Blank, and then here you're gonna upload your image, and then I'm just gonna do this softball image, and then I suggest to turn the key background off so it removes the background, and make the crop ratio just free, and you don't need to adjust any of these things. So then you click confirm, and then once this page pops up, make sure you like it, and then I like it, so I'm going to click confirm. And then now I only have an AMS, which is 4 colors, so I'm just going to keep 4 colors, and then click confirm. And then from here, you're going to go to play in thickness, and then make sure it's just the play is just default. And then so I like to make the color whatever the base is, so there's like mostly yellow, so I'm just gonna make the color the yellow color. And then I suggest to do the face down mode for the Croc charm, and then I like to make, and you can just keep the image thickness 1, but then you're gonna make the thickness 4 millimeters. Click enter, and then I think it looks good. So from here you can just inspect it, do all the stuff, change the colors if you need to, but I think it looks great. So now we're gonna go to download, and then download the 3MF file. And then once I download, we can just open up the file in Movement Studio. And then once that loads, we're gonna do the scale option and then make the size 25.4, so 25.4 millimeters. And then now you're gonna ununiform scale and then make the Z scale 100%, which should be 4 millimeters. And then from here, you're gonna go to this MakerWorld link. And then once you're here, you're gonna download the SD/CAD files. And I am gonna put this MakerWorld link in the description, so that's where you can find it. So once you download it, you can go back to the Movement Studio, and you're gonna import that file, which should be the top one right here. And then from here, you're gonna rotate this 180 degrees. And then here is the hardest part. So you're gonna right click your Croc charm and center it, and right click your Croc charm base and center that. Now you're gonna hold on Shift and then select both of the objects, and then right click and then click merge them. And then now you're gonna go to objects and scroll all the way down until you see the Croc charm base. From here, you're gonna click this button so you can move it, and then make the Z 4 millimeters. And then, so once it looks good, I think it looks good, so we're gonna slice it. And now we're gonna go print it and see how it turns out. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Jackson out.